imagined to make a vehicle of my own. Like I've always dreamt of it, that I'll make a car, I'll make a bike or something. But this is the first time I've actually got to make it, and it's just out of the world, this experience.
Once again, a warm welcome to you for the inaugural ceremony of SAE Club.
Mayank Arora, the founder and CEO of Elite Techno Groups Bengaluru, have been associated with Satyabama since 2019 when he and his team organized a 10-day summer internship program for our students in our campus.
Would love to thank every one of you to being here, and especially the college management, the Vice President, Mr. J. Arul, HOD Automobile, HOD Mechanical, and Nivin Joy sir for inviting me to inaugurate the SAE Club in your college. Point here is that out of those 800 colleges, hardly 10 to 20% colleges are there which are management driven, where management is pushing the students to be active and get into various activities and provide them that exposure which can make you a real engineer. And I'm so happy to come to such campuses, and I'm so happy to share that with you, that your college is someone who is preparing your future by getting you exposed into various events and activities. And this is one of an example that your college is setting up a SAE Club where you guys would be spending your next 3-4 years of engineering journey and building some real machines.
So at this juncture, I am happy to inform you all that one team from Satyabama has cleared their initial rounds. They have named their team as Arion for the EBAHA 2023 organized by SAE India.